They say you can tell where a train's been by the tracks it leaves behind. Oh, hello, sir. Welcome to the train station. Would you like a ticket for a train? No, thank you. I'm just here to learn about the locomotive. Locomotives, you say? Well, have I got the book for you? Locomotive. Oh, you mean Locomotive by Brian Floca, winner of the Caldecott Medal? Yes, I am familiar with his fine work. The way he describes the great open West as a land cut and dissected by the railroad. His beautiful imagery and the appropriate language, clank, 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 and more moving passages, like the way he describes the train. Clang, 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 hiss, spit, huff, huff, huff. And who could forget that moving moment? Woo, woo, woo. I guess you could say that's where my interest in locomotives began. The beautiful pictures of the Great Plains, cut in half, bisected by the train. His detailed account of how people would purchase a ticket and ride the train across the country. Yeah, I'm familiar with that informative and beautifully illustrated book. Well, if you've already read that great book, I guess the last thing to do is show you to the locomotive. Let's go. Yee-haw.